So if you go to worksheet, you can see material, element type, and everything you can see here. And like if you want to add all the figures in the report, so what we have to do, we should go image. So one image will be added here, image, so here we are going to report preview. So here you can see whatever image we have inserted, everything will be there. So what material we have assigned, everything will be here. Send to, if you want to send it to Word, then we can send it to Word. So you can see this has come to Word file. And if you want to put on PPT, so here we can send to Word and PowerPoint also. Print also.